Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore finding the values of sine 135 degrees and cosine 135 degrees by constructing the angle 135 degrees right on this coordinate plane. Alright, so I'm going to take out a protractor and I'm going to start drawing this line already, okay? So you will see me drawing this red line. Oops, sorry. Oh, so I'm going to draw the line now. Okay, so that will be 135 degrees from where? Let me zoom in. From here. And I'm going to choose a convenient point that will allow us to find this particular sine and cosine ratio of 135 degrees, and using the definition here where sine and cosine is sine ratio is y over r, cosine ratio is x over r. So probably one of a convenient point that I look at here would be, a convenient point for us to take would be this point here, where I am going to name it as negative 44 point P, and that will be my x, and my y, where I will have 4 here and negative 4 here. And from here, right, because I do want to find my r, if you look at the definition, there will be instances where I need to divide by r. So at this stage, I probably do some working at the side here. My r is actually equals to the negative 4 square plus 4 square square root. This will be equals to square root 32. Notice that at this point, I do not write out I leave my answer as square root 32 because that is for convenience sake, okay? So now we are all ready. So for this particular question, using this definition here, we would then have my, let me create a space below so that it's easier for us to see. This will be my white space here. So for this question, then we would have sine 135 degree is equals to y over r, and my y is 4 and my r is square root 32. This will give me a value of equals to 0.7071125 significant figures, followed by, let me create more space, 3 sig fig. As for cosine, then it will be here, x over r. X will be negative 4 over r square root 2, and this will give me a value of negative 7.0.7 70711, 5 significant figures, followed by final answer 3 significant figures. And I have successfully found the ratios for the sine and cosine ratios of this 135 degrees using the coordinate plane.